Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to create a three-dimensional graph in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now we want to create a 3D dimensional shape. Now I am select some data, click and drag on our mouse. Then go to the insert menu, select the recommended chart option. Now go to the all chart. We can see here many chart. You can add any 3D dimensional chart like column, line, pie, bar, area, XY, scatter, etc. You can add any chart. Now I am select the column and make a 3D column. Select this and click OK. You can change the color, style, effect, etc. Select the chart and go to the chart design menu. Click the drop down menu and change the style of the chart. Now I am select this. You can change the color. Otherwise you can change the layout of the chart. You can add any element or remove any element. Now we can see we create three-dimensional graph in Excel very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.